Welcome to Clinical Skill and Management channel. I am Syed Muhammad Ali. Today we are discussing one of the interview question which is initially asked by the interviewer. What interests you about this organization? It is one of the questions which the interviewer asked to develop the rapport with the interviewee. So it is a question which you should start with a very positive frame, showing your interest and your enthusiasm in the job and aligning with your capabilities with the role mentioned in the advertisement or mentioned for the specific job. So the only thing you should care, you should show your enthusiasm, not the desperation for the job. So this initial start will definitely build a better rapport to express yourself and your potential for the job. Connect yourself with the company and admire the company mission, goals and objective, and link your potential, how that potential can be beneficial for the organization. So show your also long-term affiliation with the organization, so that will give a more confidence to the interviewer. Guys, I will reply this question in different job perspective, and you should adjust this reply according to your potential and the situation and the requirement by the organization. So let's move to the video.
Thank you for giving me the opportunity to share my skills and strength and demonstrate how they align with the requirements of the position as you have. I am excited about this position because it offers an opportunity to combine my passion for building relationship with my strong track record in achieving sales target. I admire how your company prioritizes customer satisfaction while maintaining innovation in the industry. I am eager to contribute to that culture and grow professionally in such a dynamic environment. So guys, this should be your reply for the sales position. Now, for the management role, you can say, what excites me about this position is the chance to lead a team and drive strategic initiative that align with the company's goal. With my background in managing cross-functional teams and streamlining operation, I am confident I can make a meaningful impact. I also value your company's emphasis on employee development and innovation, which resonate my long-term vision for growth. Now, it's the entry-level role. If you are fresh and you are going for the interview for the entry level, I am particularly interested in this position because it provides a strong foundation for learning and growth in the pharmaceutical industry or the industry where you are giving the interview. Your company reputation for excellence and mentorship is very appealing, and I am excited about the opportunity to apply my academic knowledge to real world challenges. Now, if you are for the interview of a creative role, for example, a marketing designer. So you should say, this role interests me because it allows me to merge my creativity with strategic thinking. I'm impressed by your recent campaign, and you can quote any campaign after analyzing that campaign on their website, which demonstrate a clear understanding of a target audience, or whatever you have seen the video, whatever they have targeted, you should ask about that particular video and that particular target, right? I would love to part of a team that values innovation and bold ideas. So by sharing all these three reply, initially you are communicating well your interest in the organization. Good luck and see you in the next video. Please subscribe our channel, like our video and press the bell icon so that you get all the videos on time.